Yeah, we leave that, Mummy. We leave that. Alright, we're going to turn this on mute for now. Okay, you going to help Mummy? Okay. So you've been thinking and planning about starting a product-based business, and then COVID-19 hits. Now what? Aria, you want to come here? Come here, Papa. Come here. Come to Mummy. Come to Mummy. Hi. Hi, I'm Alicia and this is Aria. Say hello. Yeah. And I'm at home today with this one because of all the stuff that's going on with COVID-19 at the moment. But I am a mum and this little one comes first, but I really wanted to get out a video today just to talk about some stuff about uncertainty and the stuff that's going around with COVID-19 and how it's going to affect people that want to start a business. All right, off you go then. Off you go. Stand here. Yeah. So should you even start a business in these uncertain times? Well, if I'm completely honest, there's no training or YouTube videos or coaching that would ever prepare me for something that's happening right now for this COVID-19 and coronavirus. And although I can't tell you what's right and what's wrong or what you should and shouldn't do, as truthfully, I don't even really know myself. What I do know is that this isn't the first or last time. Aria, do you want to come over here and help Mummy? Yeah. Okay. And even though I can't tell you what's right and what's wrong right now, or what you should and shouldn't do, as I really don't even really know myself. Okay, off you go. What I do know is that this isn't the first or the last time that you'll ever start a business or, go through your business in uncertain times. There will always be ups and downs in life. There'll be massive blows like the one that we're experiencing now with COVID-19, or it might just be little things like not being able to get work done because your little one won't have a nap. So there's always going to be times where there's up and downs and, massive things like the COVID-19 happens. But it doesn't mean you should quit on your dream. It doesn't mean that you should stop. It shouldn't mean that you should just give up. For most of you, your dream of owning your own business or starting or growing your business was in the pipeline long before COVID-19 even surfaced. And I don't want to see you give up on that dream of turning your idea into an income and creating a profitable business. So should you start your product-based business and open up an online store right now? I believe the world needs you to take action now more than ever. We need determined and creative people just like you to just keep pushing through. So my answer is yes, but with an asterisk. As truthfully, only you know what's right for your business and for your family. For some of you, starting a business right now is the perfect time. You've got more time at home, you've got access to the internet, but for others, the uncertainty is just too much to handle. Whatever you decide, please know that there is no right or wrong answer here. But if you've decided to stick it out and take the plunge and follow your dream, it might be helpful if I went through a few tips for you today. You want to come help Mummy? You help Mummy? Okay, stand here and you help Mummy. Okay, so to ensure that you're starting a business that will have success long after the COVID-19's come and gone, you want to make sure that you're building your business on a solid foundation. Now is the perfect time to be working on your business plan, creating a marketing strategy, and setting yourself up for the perfect launch. Sound good? Okay, let's start getting into some of these tips. First things first, before we even start, what you want to do is you want to pick a launch date. I like and recommend using a 90-day launch plan. Obviously, this all depends on your circumstances, the type of business that you have. You might have little ones that you need to work around as well. So just think about your lifestyle and your goals, and then just pick a date from there. Can you help Mummy? Yeah. Okay, Aria, what's step one? Step one is validating your business idea. So you've got the products you'd like to sell in mind. Well done. But do you know if there's anyone out there that would actually want to buy your product? Making sure you've got a market for your product is actually key to creating a successful business. You might find yourself with a bit of spare time, so use this to do some market research to find out if people actually want your product and to see whether your business idea is actually worth pursuing. Step number 2 is you want to identify your ideal customer avatar and make sure you're marketing to them. Yes, you've heard it here time and time again, but identifying your ideal customer avatar is one, if not the most important step to take before launching your business. Once you've figured out who your ideal customer is, it's time to start working on your messaging so you can talk directly to them. If you need help on identifying your ideal customer avatar, be sure to check out my video where I'll give you some handy tips and how-tos on how to do it. I'll leave the link here on the screen so you can go check it out. Step 3, you want to build your brand. Building a brand is so much more than just your logo. Essentially, your branding is your promise to your customers. It tells them what they can and can't expect from you, your products, and your business. Work towards creating an overall branding experience that will create a lasting impression on your customers. In step 4, you want to start building your online store. Okay, let's have a look. Do you want me to put on Dougie? Really? Once you've identified who your ideal customer is, you've figured out your branding and your brand messaging, now would be a great time to start setting up your online store, creating an opt-in so you can build up your email list, and if possible, start making some pre-sales. In step 5, you want to get social and start building up your community. Once you know exactly who your customer avatar is, you should pretty much know where they're hanging out online. So this is where you want to start setting up your social channels, start creating valuable content and engaging with your potential customers. This is also a great way to connect with people in your community. I truly do believe in community over competition and that there is an abundance of customers out there. So don't be afraid to connect with other thought leaders in your community, and who knows, you might even be able to bounce ideas off of each other. In the final step, step 6, is launching your business. With your launch date just around the corner, trust me, this comes up a lot quicker than you imagine. You've created a solid business foundation, you've created an amazing brand and website, and you've built up a group of people that actually want to buy. It's now finally time to open up your virtual doors and start making sales. Why not create extra hype with an event or a giveaway? This will really amp up the excitement and the buzz around your business and brand. Okay, so there you go, the 6 steps that I follow and recommend for those wanting to plan, start, and launch your product-based business. If you would like these steps in an easy to follow format, then why not check out my free resource, the Launch Your Biz Roadmap. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go check it out. Furthermore, if you're a mum just like I am and you're wanting to start your own business and you're searching for a community of other mums who are also doing the same thing, who want to create a business and raise their children and maybe perhaps work from home so you can be with your little ones, then I would really love for you to check out my free Facebook group. It's called the Startup Boss Mama Mastermind. Community is everything right now. So if you need someone to talk to about these times, looking for support and encouragement, I would love to see you join. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can go and check it out. Okay, so that's all from us today. If you like this video, it would mean so much if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more videos like this with me and Aria, then feel free to leave a comment below. I hope you and your family stay safe and well, and I'll be back here again soon showing up for you even in times like these. Okay, so bye for now. Say bye, Aria. Come on, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Say we'll see you next time. Say we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.